my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing of my Dior Caro card holders. If you guys are interested to see which color I picked up, please keep watching. Holiday packaging, as everybody, I believe everybody knows, it's just so beautiful. And this is, oh god, okay, I'm just dropping everything. And this is what the box looks like. It is so beautiful and so reflective. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. This is not a true unboxing because I've been using this card holder since I bought it. Thought that I'll show you guys, so it's just helpful if you're looking for the similar kind of card holder. So it comes with this little pouch, and when you open it, this is what it looks like. So this is Dior Caro 5-slot card holder, and it's just so beautiful. I just love this color so much. So yeah, so as I mentioned that I've been using it, I just love the color. I fell in love with the color. They have like a really beautiful color, especially in this design, and all of them are so beautiful, but I just settled with this one. I forgot the name, so I'll put it up on the screen and I will link the product in the description bar below as well. It's a 5-slot card holder. So you got 2 slots at the front, you got 2 at the back, and then you got 1 in the middle. And I've been only putting 5 cards in it because I just don't want to overstuff it, because that's what I did with my Coach card holder. And yeah, because it was leather, so it's extended over time, and now I always have to put like 2 cards each in each slot. If I put 1, it just falls. So yeah, so I have learned my lesson, so I'm not going to overstuff this card holder. So I only put like 5 cards, which is like my bank card, my credit card, usually my Medicare and my driving license. So those are all the cards that I usually need on daily basis. So you know, if I'm going anywhere or anything like that, I'm just going to shops, I just take this out quickly and then I just run to the shops and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is a beautiful card holder. My daily uses, this is pretty good. Like I do have other cards as well, but I don't use those, so I just leave those cards in my long wallet. So for my daily basis need, this is actually serving the purpose for me, and I am so much in love. I love this card holder. I mean, like, I love Dior in general. If I had all the money in the world, I would probably buy every single thing from Dior, but that's not possible. So anyway, so I have nothing bad to say about this card. I've been using this probably from 2.5 months. There is no wear and tear either. Even there are like no scratches on the CD logo as well, because I'm just like really careful when I'm using it. So like even when I put it in my bag, I just make sure that there is nothing near this which will like scratch the leather or scratch the logo. So over time, of course, it will have wear and tear, but at the moment there is none. And I have nothing bad to say about this card holder. I will just want to do a quick video, so you know, if you guys are looking for a card holder from Dior, this one or any other one, kind of videos always comes helpful, because yeah, when I was looking for this card holder, looking online, I couldn't really find any video. So every time if I pick something up, I just try to do a video so that it can be helpful, because I find these helpful as well. So I'm not really sure, I feel like I was just rambling a lot in this video, so I apologize for that. It was like just a quick unboxing and a review. Alright my gorgeous, that's all for today's video. If you guys like the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye my gorgeous.